Demystifying, impotent. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the word impotent. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. Impotent is an adjective and is primarily used to describe someone or something that does not have the power or ability to take action or to have a desired effect. Think of it as the opposite of powerful. Example, the government was impotent in the face of the economic crisis. While the primary definition relates to lack of power or ability, there's a secondary meaning of impotent, which is a bit sensitive. In medical terms, it can describe a man who cannot achieve or maintain an erection. It's essential to be cautious and respectful when using it in this context. Example, he felt impotent due to his medical condition. Note, always be aware of the context in which you're using the term to avoid misunderstandings or unintended insensitivity. To enrich your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for impotent. Powerless, ineffective, incapable. However, these synonyms might not always fit in every context where impotent is used, so always consider the specific meaning and connotation you want to convey. Let's see impotent in action. 1. The king became impotent after the rebellion, with no real power left. 2. Without its leader, the team felt impotent and directionless. 3. The medication left him feeling impotent, both emotionally and physically. There you have it, the word impotent in all its facets. It's always more than just a word. It's about understanding the depth and the context in which it can be used. We hope this video has been helpful, and the next time you come across impotent or use it, you'll do so with confidence. Happy learning!